Fire has destroyed a small engine repair shop that's been in business for more than half a century. But the owner says he doesn't have enough insurance to cover the damage and he doesn't plan to rebuild. WSLS 10's Colter Anstead talked to the owner about the loss.
This morning, my neighbor came over and woke me up and told me that my place was on fire.
Emmett Tuck's small engine repair shop has been reduced to rubble. He says this is $1 million loss.
I have a new building down in the back. I was in process of moving into that building. I was going to move my equipment into that building, and I can just forget it now.
He believes the fire may have been the result of a lightning strike Saturday that caused a smaller fire.
Apparently, it was still something set off and it just fueled itself. It started back up.
The fire department is still investigating if that is what happened.
We arrived on the scene. We had a huge fireball coming through the back part of this building at the roof level.
The fire was so big, surrounding departments were called in to help.
We immediately did an all-tone for all the departments in the county just for manpower and equipment.
Tuck says he is grateful for the response, even though they weren't able to save the business.
All the fire department, I want to thank them too.
In South Boston, Colter Anstead, WSLS 10.